How many of you actually undervalue $1 and overvalue $1 million? Hello Zikers, Ella here from Zeke, and in this video I am going to show you how to find high profit products to sell on eBay. Today I will focus on not just finding products that sell really well, but sell so well that they keep selling and selling. And while those products are selling, you will take the time to find another product, and with that, create another income revenue stream. If you find some value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Let's get into it. When it comes to products that sell well, it's important to know that you must find products that sell great all the time and not just short-term sales or items that are currently in trend. Now, don't get me wrong, having those in-trend items in your store is great, but you don't want to just rely on those to keep that income coming in. You want to get to a point where your money is no longer your master, but your servant, and your money is working for you, even if it is just $1. The best way to start is by finding profitable products. Now keep in mind that this is a process. So for this example, I'll start by first looking for niche ideas. Now the easiest way for me to find niche ideas is by searching a category. You can do this manually on eBay. All the data is there, so it's pretty easy to navigate what you need. But I personally use the Zeke Analytics category research tool and product research tool. And this is because it helps me gather all of the information I need for understanding the big picture. And it only takes a couple of clicks. So let's go ahead and jump into my screen now. Okay, log into Zeke Analytics, and once you're there, you want to go under the category research icon, which is located right here. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. Now here below, you can see all of the categories. The next step here is to find a category that you're pretty familiar with. So why choose a category you're familiar with? Well, because if your customer has any questions regarding the items that you're selling, you already know the answer and you're not losing time trying to get that information. And not only that, but you know what questions to ask your supplier. This is only to be sure you're getting exactly what is being sold the most, saving yourself time and money. Let's say I'm a person who is familiar with cell phone accessories. So I'm going to stick to that category. Now our next step is to go even further and find subcategories. And at this point you ask yourself, which one do I know the most about? Because remember, this is going to speed up your success. You're going to more quickly know what questions to ask the supplier and what kind of product you need to get that people want and need. As you can see in the Zeke category research, all of the subcategories are already set up in a convenient way. These stars next to the name show you what subcategories under a certain category are doing well on eBay. With this tool, there is no reason for you to play the guessing game. So, because I have some knowledge of cell phones and accessories, I'm going to go ahead and click on that subcategory. This will automatically bring us to the top of the page where I can go ahead and click on the search button. Now here we will have all of the stats when it comes to the overall sales of cell phone accessories on eBay. So here above are the stats. Now the most important thing for us is the product list. So here at the bottom is the product list of items that are selling well on eBay, starting at number 1. This step allows us to go even deeper into this category by showing us the exact products with the photos, the number of overall sales, which you can see here on the right as well as on the left, and of course you can see every product price. So now that we're down to the lowest category, it's time to gather the information that we need to know if one of these products will be one that sells continuously. So let's take a look at this second product here for Apple iPhone XR waterproof, shockproof, dirtproof, snowproof case cover. So before I move on, it's important for me to ask, are you guys liking the video so far? If so, consider hitting the thumbs up button. All right, so let's go on to the next step. So now that we found an exact product we're interested in under the category, have some previous information about it, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go further into this product. And we're going to do that by clicking this icon here, which is the scan product icon. This will go ahead and open up a new tab for you. Now here you have the option to change up the keywords you want to search for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the keywords Apple, iPhone, waterproof, delete everything else around it. So we have those exact words that we're searching for. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the word case. Now we're going to go ahead and click on search. Now we should get 100 of these items, and so we do, because the keywords are a little bit shorter, giving us more products to look at. So once we have all of our items, we're going to select this box here to check all of the items and then click on Zeek selection to jump into the statistics of the keywords Apple, iPhone, waterproof case. So now we have the stats for this particular product. You can see we have over 74,000 sales earnings in the last 30 days. The average product price is $13.84. Successful listings is at 86%. What this tells you is that out of the top 100 listings on eBay, 86 listings successfully sold. Now let's go ahead and scroll down to the product list. So here this product list gives you the information about the seller, the feedback score for each seller, the number of times the product sold, the product with the photo in the middle, as well as title. Here you have lifetime sales. Again, last 30-day sales are here, the price and the location of the item. What I'm going to do for this example is I'm going to filter out total sales from highest to lowest. So just click on total sales twice. Now there's a couple of things you want to be careful about when choosing your product. You don't want to choose a product that's below $10 or not at least too much below $10. So like $8 or $9 is a pass. Because remember, you're going to lose about 13% out of the product on average. So that's 10% for selling it and another 3% on PayPal. So I feel like product number 1 is a little bit lower of a price for me. So I'm going to go ahead and go with product number 2. So product number 2 is an Apple iPhone 7, 8 Plus waterproof, shockproof case with a built-in screen protector. So when you go ahead and click on the title, it will open up this product here on eBay. And what I'm interested in seeing is if this is offering free shipping. So if this seller is offering free shipping, and they are. Again, power sellers on eBay are smart. They know that free shipping will increase their chances of selling the product. And even though they might lose a little more in shipping, they will sell 3 or 4 times as much because it's free shipping. They will earn that money back. They're just thinking big and far into the future. And that's exactly what I want you to do so you can succeed as well. All right, so now that we've gone through all of these steps and found our product really fast and easy, let's now check out a wholesale supplier. And for this example, let's check Alibaba. So as you can see, I already have Alibaba open right here. And what's really cool about this site is you can actually search for a product by uploading an image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save this first image to my computer. And I'm going to name it product 1, save. Jump into Alibaba here, click on this image icon right next to the search bar, and then you have the option to upload an image. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Product 1, open. So here, once your product photo is uploaded, you can see it right here. Now, obviously, you can also use eBay as reference to make sure that you are finding the same product. As you can see, we have a square here around the Apple icon, 2 circles for the camera, just checking out the image and then going back to Alibaba to find something similar or exactly the same. So I'm going to take the time to scroll through and make sure I find the same product or something that's super similar to the one that's selling on eBay. This one here is very similar. It's not an exact match to the one on eBay, but it is pretty similar. Also, this case that we found is not for the iPhone 7 or 8, so we just have to go back and find another product. And these products up here are what we need. Yes, they're not the same as the product here that we found on eBay, but it is pretty similar. Yeah, sometimes you won't find the same exact product. Sometimes you will if you take a lot more time to do the research, which is what is needed in some cases. For the sake of this example, let's go ahead and go with this product here. This product here comes with a built-in screen protector, and it's for the iPhones that have the most sale in cases. But now, if we're talking about $1 million and these are sold for $1.15, $1.30, order as much of these cases as you can and sell them on eBay for $16, $15. Yeah, they're not the same, so maybe you can sell them for $14.98. Still, whatever price you choose to sell them at, you're still going to make a profit considering that these are being sold at $1.15 or $1.30. So take that into consideration with what we're talking about. So don't undervalue a dollar because as you can see, it can have a lot more value than you think. It's easy when you're just looking for one product, but it can get harder over a period of time. So it's important that you try out multiple products you order to find a winner. Yes, it may be hard sometimes, but try to get at least 10 of these items that keep selling all the time. And once you find those 10 items, then contact your supplier. And out of those 10, you will maybe narrow the number down to top 3 or 5 items. At first, you can use this money from those sales to buy more stock and make more risks. Now, it's also super important that you have amazing, catchy titles so you can get sales. So be sure to check out our videos about title optimization as well as categories SEO. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like these. See you in the next video.